channel where we talk about fashion and lifestyle. So last week was the Black Friday sale and I shopped again from a lot of brands like Zebra, Telewheel, Dojenbach, New Yorker and also some makeup products. So in this video, I'll be showing you what all I got and how you can style these different pieces. I didn't have these styles earlier in my wardrobe, so yes, I'm very excited about them. And also these pieces are super versatile, so all the more reason for me to be happy. So now I won't make you guys wait any further. Let's get started. So the first piece that I'm going to talk about is a blockbuster piece in my words. I am talking about the vests. I got this black vest from Zebra. It has a cable knit design on it and it has V-neck. I got this in size XS/S. Its original price was 25 francs, but I got this for 12.5. It had a 50% discount. The best part about this vest is you can wear it in autumn, then in winters and also in spring. And you can create different styles for each of these 3 seasons. These vests are also available in turtlenecks or high necks, and also they have a lot of colors like black, beige, grey. You can style this vest in such beautiful ways. You can wear it with stockings and high boots, golden jewelry, golden chain neck pieces. You can also wear it with a puff sleeves top inside, and you can pair either black denims, black faux leather pants or blue denims and boots. This is surely a rocking piece. I really wanted it because it took me back to the days of my college when I used to, grab my father's half sleeve sweaters and wear them on top of my dresses. So yes, take my advice, do buy this piece. Just grab it wherever you find it. The next thing that I bought is a cartoon print sweatshirt in the color red. Now, I have been a big fan of cartoons since childhood and Mickey has been my favorite all along. So this is a red sweatshirt with the Mickey face printed on both the sides. I got this from Telewheel. It is in the size M. I really wanted an oversized sweatshirt because you can put a lot of layers inside. And the color red is super trending right now. Besides, in the dull days of winters, I love to add a little bit of color. So yes, the color red, also my favorite color. It was for 30 francs, but I got it for 10 CHF from Telewheel. As far as the styling goes, you can wear it with jeans, joggers, skirts and a lot more. Just let me know in case you want to see the sweatshirt styling. I'll make a separate video for you guys. Next up is a skirt. I got a beige skirt from Telewheel. It's in the suede fabric. It's a short skirt, pleated and has chain on the back side. Now this is also in the size M and it was for 30 francs, but I got it for 21 francs. They had 30% off on this one. I really wanted this skirt from last year, but every time I went there to buy, either the size didn't fit me or I couldn't find the piece itself. But this time I just grabbed it with both my hands. Now the styling part of this skirt. For the styling, what you can do in autumn and spring, you can wear it with those warm tops or turtlenecks and add stockings and boots. For winters, what you can do is you can wear turtleneck sweaters and add, either puffer jackets or long coats or simple coats, warm stockings and brown boots. Even over the knee boots will look great with this piece. The next piece that I got from Telewheel is this white puff sleeves top. This top also had a 20% off and I got it for 20 francs. Now the sleeves are not in organza, they are in net and also has this beautiful pearl and sequin work on all of the sleeve. See? The material here, this is not a knit material, but otherwise this is warm. As far as the styling goes, this is a white colored top, so you can literally pair it with any color. You can even go with a monochrome white look, sequin skirts, any bright color, dark color, contrasting things you can make with this top. And you can wear it to Christmas or New Year's parties in case we are having any. But yes, you can always have a party at home and style this top. How I have worn this top is I have paired it with my brocade red colored lehenga, and this way I'm ready for a Sangeet party like we do in India. Next up is a pinafore dress, and it is one of a kind piece. I don't think I have ever had any outfit like this before. I got this pinafore from New Yorker. It's in black stone-washed denim. You know, stone-washed, it looks like it is faded. This is in size S. Now this piece was available in faux leather also and in this color, but the quality of the faux leather piece didn't look very good to me. Besides, this is denim which is never out of trend, and also I can wear it in summers as well as in winters. So that was a win-win for me. One more thing is styling. How I would like to style it in winters is, you know, I'll just put in some bright colored, a little oversized sweater, this, stockings, boots, and of course you can take that overcoat as per the weather. You know, my shopping is never complete without accessories, and this brings to the next piece I got, which are these golden hoops. I got this from Zebra, again at 50% off. I got them for 7 francs. Now these pieces along with golden chain jewelry are super trending right now, but trend or no trend, these are such classic and timeless pieces that I would really suggest everyone should own one such piece in their jewelry collection. You can wear them with your formals, casuals, you can wear it to an event, and also you are party ready if you are wearing such hoops. Now comes the makeup part. I shopped a few skincare and makeup products from different brands, and amongst that, the first thing that I want to show you is this intense black liner pencil. It has this tip at the top, and it is perfect if you want to, you know, make a winged eyeliner like I have made. If you are someone who wants to practice a wing or getting your hands on putting on a proper eyeliner, I think you should go for this one. This is very nice. It is in the shade Intense Black. And a few other things that I got from Essence are, one is this nail paint. It is dark wine or plum shade. I'm also wearing the same. It's my favorite when it comes to winters. And the second one is this semi-matte lipstick. It's somewhere between red and maroon. It has a creamy texture, so it doesn't dry out your lips. Moving on to skincare, I shopped a lot of masks this time, you know, peel-offs and sheet masks, eye masks, a lot of them. These are from different drugstore products, and I particularly love this Garnier one. I also got an eye mask with orange extract from Garnier, and it did wonders for me. I usually store my masks in the refrigerator. One more Garnier product that I would highly recommend is this makeup remover. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I'm doing a lot of different eye makeup this time, and you know, just 1 or 2 strokes of this water, you know, and that too gentle strokes, it will take off the makeup completely. It is very gentle on the skin, doesn't dry it off. So yes, this is highly recommended. That was all for today's video. I hope you guys liked this shopping haul. Do let me know in the comment section which outfit was your favorite, and also guys, let me know what more videos you would like to see. Do give this video a thumbs up, share it, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Also follow me on Instagram. My handle is @lazyfashionhacks. So now I'll see you next week with a new video. Till then, take care of yourself, love yourself, stay safe, and stay stylish. Bye.